Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to do a gender swap filter on TikTok. First, go to the App Store. After this, browse for the Face app there. Click to install the app. Start your free trial by tapping on the red button. Grant the necessary permissions for access to this Face app. Here, you can select any picture from your phone gallery. Now, tapping on the filters will give you different gender options. Save it to the gallery then. After this, open the CapCut app on your phone. Here, you can search for gender swap filter on the template search bar. Select any of the templates that appear in searches. Now, select pictures from your gallery to see the effect. In the bottom, you can see Save and Share to TikTok. Click here. Then you will receive a pop-up that says CapCut want to open TikTok. Tap on Open. Now you can post it the way you want to. And that's it. Thanks. Leave a like, subscribe, and share.